Is following Dave Ramsey's financial advice the golden ticket to wealth, or is it a one-size-fits-all strategy that falls short? Today, we're diving deep into Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy. We'll explore how his 7 baby steps have changed lives, why some critics push back against his methods, and ultimately, if his advice is right for you. Stay tuned as we uncover the truth behind Dave Ramsey's empire of financial freedom. Section number 1, who is Dave Ramsey? Dave Ramsey is a name that echoes across the halls of financial independence and debt-free living, but who exactly is he? And how did he become the titan of personal finance advice that millions turn to today? Born in Antioch, Tennessee, Ramsey's journey wasn't always aligned with the financial wisdom he dispenses today. And in his 20s, Ramsey experienced the bitter taste of bankruptcy, grappling with over $4 million in real estate debt. This crucible of financial despair wasn't the end for Ramsey, it was the beginning of a new chapter. Transforming his failures into lessons, Dave Ramsey embarked on a mission to learn everything about personal finance, distilling complex concepts into accessible advice for the everyday person. He started with a simple radio show in 1992, which has since evolved into The Dave Ramsey Show, reaching millions of listeners with its message of financial peace. Beyond the airwaves, Ramsey's influence extends to his best-selling books, including The Total Money Makeover, where he outlines his signature 7 baby steps. These steps, from establishing an emergency fund to achieving mortgage freedom, provide a structured path to financial freedom. His approach isn't just about escaping debt, it's about fostering a lifestyle of saving, investing, and giving. Dave Ramsey's empire, Ramsey Solutions, now encompasses not just media, but financial education tools, courses, and a network of coaches dedicated to making financial peace a reality for as many people as possible. His story is a testament to the power of resilience, education, and the belief that it's never too late to turn your financial life around. Section number 2, the success stories. When we talk about the tangible impact of Dave Ramsey's financial advice, we dive into a world brimming with success stories that are nothing short of inspirational. These are not just numbers on a page, they represent real people, families who've climbed out of the depths of financial despair to reach the peaks of financial freedom. Let's jump into the essence of these testimonies to understand the profound effect of Ramsey's teachings. One of the most compelling aspects of Ramsey's approach is the emphasis on the snowball method for paying off debt. This method suggests tackling the smallest debts first for quick wins, building momentum to conquer larger debts. Countless followers have shared their journeys, detailing how this approach not only helped them eliminate debt, but also instilled a sense of financial discipline and achievement that transformed their outlook on money. For instance, consider the story of a young couple drowning in $80,000 of combined student loan and credit card debt. Feeling trapped and uncertain about their future, they stumbled upon Ramsey's 7 baby steps. Fast forward 2.5 years, and they're not only debt-free, but have also built a robust emergency fund. Their story is a testament to the power of steadfast commitment to Ramsey's principles, coupled with the community support found in his Financial Peace University classes. Then there's the tale of a single mother who, facing the daunting challenge of raising 3 children on a modest income, turned her financial situation around by applying the lessons from Ramsey's Total Money Makeover. By budgeting meticulously, cutting unnecessary expenses, and focusing on debt repayment, she managed to pay off $30,000 in debt and start saving for her children's education. These stories, and thousands more like them, highlight the transformative power of Ramsey's advice. It's not merely about getting out of debt, it's about adopting a lifestyle that prioritizes financial health, empowering individuals and families to build a future they once thought was out of reach. Through Dave Ramsey's guidance, they've discovered the keys to financial peace and the freedom it brings. Section 3, the criticisms. While Dave Ramsey's financial advice has been a beacon of hope for many, it's also faced its fair share of criticism. In the interest of presenting a balanced view, it's crucial to explore the contours of these critiques to understand the broader picture of personal finance strategies. Ramsey's methodologies, particularly his aversion to credit cards and his one-size-fits-all approach, have sparked debate among financial experts and enthusiasts alike. Critics argue that Ramsey's outright dismissal of credit cards overlooks their potential benefits when used responsibly. Credit cards, when managed well, can offer rewards, build credit history, and provide consumer protections that cash and debit cards cannot. Financial experts caution against a blanket rejection of credit cards, suggesting instead a balanced approach to using credit wisely and paying off balances each month to avoid interest. Another point of contention is Ramsey's investment advice, especially his assertion that investors can expect a 12% return on their retirement savings. Skeptics point out that this figure is overly optimistic, citing historical market returns closer to 7% after adjusting for inflation. They worry that such expectations could lead individuals to underestimate the amount they need to save for retirement. Moreover, Ramsey's method doesn't always account for the nuanced financial situations of diverse individuals. His advice tends to be rigid, with critics arguing that personal finance requires a more flexible, tailored approach that considers varying income levels, debt types, and personal goals. Despite these criticisms, it's important to recognize the positive impact Ramsey's advice has had on countless individuals. However, as with any financial advice, it's beneficial for those seeking guidance to consider multiple perspectives and adapt strategies that best fit their unique financial situations. This nuanced approach allows for a more comprehensive understanding of personal finance, empowering individuals to make informed decisions that pave the way to financial health and stability. Section number 4, is it right for you? Deciding whether Dave Ramsey's financial advice is the right path for you involves a deep and personal reflection on your financial goals, habits, and the specific circumstances of your economic life. Ramsey's approach, celebrated for its simplicity and focus on debt elimination, has undeniably transformed lives. However, personal finance is inherently personal, and what works wonders for one might not suit another. Let's explore how you can discern if Ramsey's principles align with your financial journey. Firstly, consider your relationship with debt. Ramsey's method is rooted in an aggressive approach to debt elimination, prioritizing this above all else. If you're overwhelmed by debt and seeking a structured, disciplined pathway out, Ramsey's 7 baby steps could be the beacon you need. His methods provide clear, actionable steps that have helped many regain control over their finances. However, if you're someone who comfortably manages debt as a tool, for example, using credit cards for rewards and paying them off in full each month, Ramsey's strict aversion to all debt may clash with your financial strategy. Secondly, evaluate your investment philosophy. Ramsey advocates for specific investment strategies that might not align with everyone's risk tolerance or investment goals. If you're inclined towards a more conservative or varied investment approach, you might find his advice on expecting a 12% return overly optimistic. Consider too your need for flexibility. Ramsey's plan is notably rigid, which is part of its appeal for many seeking structure. However, if your financial situation requires more adaptability, perhaps due to variable income, unconventional financial goals, or personal preferences, a more tailored approach may serve you better. Lastly, reflect on your learning style and sources of motivation. If you thrive on strict guidelines and a supportive community, Ramsey's resources and courses could offer invaluable support. Conversely, if you prefer a self-directed, research-based approach to personal finance, integrating advice from various experts may be more beneficial. Determining if Dave Ramsey's advice is suitable for you requires introspection and honesty about your financial habits, goals, and preferences. While his advice has been a turning point for many, the most effective financial plan is one that considers your unique situation, blending discipline with flexibility to navigate the complex world of personal finance. Dave Ramsey's financial philosophy has the potential to transform the lives of many people. However, personal finance is a vast and diverse field, which reflects the diversity of individuals' financial situations and goals. Ramsey's strategies provide a solid foundation for debt elimination and financial discipline, but the journey towards financial freedom is unique to every individual. As you navigate through your financial landscape, take what resonates from Ramsey's teachings, but also be open to adapting strategies that align with your particular situation. Ultimately, the best financial plan is one that is personalized, sustainable, and responsive to your evolving needs and lifestyle. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights.